Good afternoon everybody and welcome back to the channel. So we've arrived at the place we are staying on this particular trip. It's called Looe Bay Holiday Park in Cornwall. So I'll just show you the sign and show you what's about. So there we go, there's the main sign to the place. And these are the first buildings you see. So you see there on the left is the venue, which I imagine is the club. And right next door to that is the reception. You can see right at the side of reception, it looks like a little bit of an arcade. Outside ice cream parlour and plenty of seating down by there too. And then right next door to that is one at least, I don't know if there's any more, but there's at least one outdoor kids play area. I'm very much winging this, I'm just having a first look around the site because we've not even checked into the caravan just yet. It seems to be most of the amenities are located pretty close to the entrance. As you can just see in the background by there, there's a bit of mini golf. And right opposite the children's play area is the very important on-site shop, which is a nicer local. And then just a little bit further on from that, there's a little basketball cum football little area by there. So just the other side of the venue by there. And you can see how close everything is to the front door. And there's a bit of a different view of the mini golf. It's not brilliant, but it is something if you're bored, isn't it? And inside that building right in front of me, there's actually a soft play. And I will show you inside that now as long as there's no little kiddie winkles inside. So inside that soft play there's a telly program playing, a couple of seats, and then it's like a long area. It's not brilliant, but it is brilliant for free, isn't it? And there is a little map of the site, but you probably would have seen that by now from the drone I did. Don't know if you can see that with the sun on it. There is the pool entrance by there, but obviously I'm not going to film inside there. And there's the little ice cream parlour. Not a bad little arcade either for being on site. It's a fair size one. And that's where you can collect your prizes from. And a bit of a view from the other side. Not bad at all. And as you come in the door of the venue, we even got a little snack shop. Save you go into the proper shop for your little snacks. And while it's nice and quiet, and very cool because it is lovely air-conned, this is inside the entertainment venue. And of course I've had to come in to show you whilst it's empty. There's the bar in the far corner there. Looks like a M&M machine or something over there. And then some more seating up the top. And there's even a sign by there that says, "Dogs are welcome." And that will be where the magic happens in the evening. And I hope they do a bit of bingo, because I am partial to a bit of bingo whilst I'm on holiday. And in the corner of the club, there is an entrance to the restaurant over in that corner. And there's also another entrance just through those doors on the right hand side by that snack shop. And there's the other entrance to that restaurant. A fair sized restaurant, and the bar is just in that far corner down there. And there's an example of what's on this week. And just very quickly, that is the site pool. So there we are, we have arrived at our caravan. Now when we booked a Silver Plus caravan, but before we came away they upgraded us to a Gold Premium. So let's go inside and see what this is about. Lovely pair of French doors by there, which come out onto your decking with a table. And you're seeing it as I'm seeing it. I haven't been in yet. So there's the kitchen. Looks pretty standard to what you always get in a caravan. A dining table. Looks like a fairly comfy sofa. And a telly. I just spotted the heating controls by there. But as I said previously, or this may not be previously, we're in the middle of a heat wave in the UK at the minute. So we're not going to need any heating. So this is the master. Shave point down by there. Wardrobe. And I think I spot an ensuite in the corner by here. I do indeed. An ensuite with a shower this time.
Mum, come here. Why is this one broken?
So now we're through to the other end of the caravan. Another full wardrobe by there, but obviously not quite as big. And we've got a twin room here. Let's see if we can... No plug socket there. We've got one plug socket there just behind the door. Howdy. And the other room is probably a mirror. The wardrobe by there. And the twin room. And I imagine if I could squeeze past the door with my bag on. Yep. Another plug socket just behind the door there. And what's behind door number 3? We have another shower room. Although I doubt it's got the water pressure to run 2 showers. I suppose we will find out. So there we go guys, that was Looe Bay Holiday Park. Let me know what you thought down below. And please like, comment and subscribe whilst you're down there. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye for now.